Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, please like, comment and subscribe our channel and help us build a better channel. Russia says it expelled British warship from waters near Annexed Crimea. A senior Russian security official said on Thursday that Russia's Navy and Air Force had expelled a British warship from what he described as Russian territorial waters near Crimea in October. But Britain said the report was categorically untrue. Iran targeted a secret CIA site in Iraq. A scoop at the Washington Post by John Hudson and Louisa Lovelock revealed that Iranian-backed militias were able to target a secret CIA hangar using a drone in April 2021. This attack hit a hangar in Erbil in the autonomous Kurdistan region. It means that Iran was able to transfer the drone itself to Iraq and gather the intelligence on the apparent location of the secret site, which is inside a known United States facility, and precisely set the drone to strike it. China urges US to clarify doubts over its biolabs. Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson Wang Wenbin says while clamoring for an investigation in other countries, the United States has been refusing to open up its own biolabs by citing national security as an excuse. How can the US convince the international community? Besides Fort Detrick, the US has set up over 200 biolabs in 25 countries and regions. There are many reports saying that the distribution of those labs is similar to the location where some dangerous diseases and viruses were first identified, such as SARS, Ebola, hemorrhagic fever, and Zika virus. We would like to know when the United States would give a reasonable explanation to the international community with regard to the above mentioned doubts. But regrettably, the United States side has never given any direct response. Is there any inconvenient secrets? We once again call on the US to respond to the concerns of the international community in an open, transparent and cooperative manner. Thank you.